Hello everyone, welcome back. And as you know, we are doing our MCQ series. Today, we will be doing MCQ in Chemistry Part 4. So let's get begin. So we have the first question here. Bleaching powder is a soluble in cold water giving a milky solution due to available chlorine, lime present in it, calcium carbonate formation, absorption of carbon dioxide from atmosphere. We know that bleaching powder formula is calcium oxychloride. It contains a mixture of calcium chloride and some calcium hydroxide also, right? That is lime. So when we mix bleaching powder in cold water, it becomes milky due to lime present in it. So the correct option will be lime. Let us move on to next question. Question number 2. Washing soda has the formula Na2CO3 into 7H2O, Na2CO3 into 10H2O, Na2CO3 into H2O, or Na2CO3. We know that washing soda formula is Na2CO3 into 10H2O. So the correct option is B. Let us move on to next question. Question number 3. Plaster of Paris hardens by giving off carbon dioxide, changing into calcium carbonate, combining with water, giving out water. We know that plaster of Paris get hardened when combined with water. So what is the option number? Yes, option number C. Okay, the next question. Let us move on to question number 4. A blue litmus paper was deep in a blue litmus paper was deep in dilute HCl and then in dilute NaOH solution. It was observed that the color of the litmus paper changes to red, change first to red and then to blue, change blue to colorless, remain blue in both solutions. So first we take the blue litmus paper. When we dip it in acid, HCl, which is an acid, it will become red. Then we take this red colored paper and when we dip it in NaOH, which is a base, red will become blue in color. So first it will become red and then it will become blue. So we know the option number B. Let us move on to next set of questions. Question number 5th one. Basic salts are formed by neutralization of strong acid and strong base, strong acid and weak acid and weak base, strong acid and weak base. Basic salt means if a strong base mix with a weak acid. So will give you a basic salt. Therefore, the correct option is option number D. Next one we have, when an oxide of a non-metal react with water, which of the following is formed? Acid, base, salt, none of this. When an oxide of non-metal react with water, we know that acid is formed. Let's talk about example. Carbon is a non-metal, so non-metallic oxide. So carbon oxide, carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide reacting with water will give you H2CO3, which is nothing but a carbonic acid. So we know that non-metallic oxide reacting with water will always lead to formation of an acid. Okay, let us move on to next question. Question number 7. Alum is an example of single salt, double salt, acids, none of the above. Alum is an example of a double salt. Let us move on to next question number 8. Which of the following is quicklime? Calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, calcium chloride into 6H2O. So we know that formula of quicklime is calcium oxide, so option A. Next one we have question number 9. Slaked lime is prepared by adding water to which of the following? Bleaching powder, lime water, milk of lime or quicklime? Slaked lime. Number 10. Plaster of Paris has formula calcium sulfate into half H2O, calcium sulfate into H2O, calcium sulfate into 1.5 H2O, calcium sulfate into 2 H2O. We know that from calcium plaster of Paris is nothing but calcium sulfate hemihydrate, half hydrate. So option number A. We have the next question number 11. Plaster of Paris is obtained by adding water to calcium sulfate, by adding sulfuric acid to calcium hydroxide, by heating gypsum to a very high temperature, by heating gypsum to 373 Kelvin. Plaster of Paris is obtained by heating gypsum to 373 Kelvin. So this is our correct option.